Welcome to our exploration of AI innovations and the potential impact on human workers. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, artificial intelligence is pushing boundaries like never before. From self-learning algorithms to autonomous systems, AI is revolutionizing industries, raising questions about the future of human employment. As businesses seek efficiency and cost-effectiveness, the prospect of AI replacing traditional roles becomes more tangible. The implications are profound, with concerns over job displacement and the need for upskilling in emerging fields. While AI promises increased productivity and innovation, the human element in the workforce faces significant changes. This technological shift sparks debates on ethics, economic equality, and the role of AI in society. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intricate relationship between AI advancements and human labor. Join the conversation on the impact of AI on the workforce and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Final YouTube sign-off sentence.